Everyone, I'm Simone. Thanks for hanging out with me. So today we're going to be opening up a Giant Ryan's World mystery egg. I can't wait to see what's in it. And after that we're going to be opening up 2 wishes. So let's get to it. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so mystery sticker, sand mystery. We have figurine mystery, car mystery, and we have of course this whiskey figure mystery. A lot of mysteries, so let's get to it. Just let me remove the plastic. I have never opened up one of these, but I saw it and I thought it would be fun because I like surprises and I don't care what it is. So let's open this giant egg. Of course I have to wrap. How much plastic? Okay, guys, here's Ryan's mystery egg. So let's remove it. We have to remove the, so here is one part and here is the second part, which I'm not going to get to now. I think there's 2 on top of each other. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have 6 pouches. And I guess that's it. 6 pouches and a big surprise, which will be at the end. So let's start with number 1. Feels hard because it's like a figurine. Don't know what to do with the giant egg afterwards. Oh, okay. Oh, these are cool. I wish they would tell you what they are. Oh, I like these. Pirate. It doesn't tell you, unfortunately, but it's a pirate. Okay, number 2. Ooh, that feels like another big figurine. Ah, okay. Cute. On roller skates. I don't know much about these characters, obviously, or would know them by the name. As I said, I thought it looked like fun. I like this character, the way she looks. She's got a blue eye and a green eye. Maybe if you guys know anything about Ryan's World's toys, you can let me know in the comment below. Okay, let's see. Okay. Guess I have to do a little bit more research. Oh, let me see. He's some kind of king. I guess these are almost like these little Lego toys, just bigger. I really like them. They're neat. This is so much. Ooh, this feels like a sticker. It's flat. Let's see. It is a sticker. It feels like there's more in there than one. Oh, yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers. Here is one. Looks like a dragon. Another. And a safari. Here's the, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to get some more of this collection. fun. 3 more to go. Another figurine. Could it be a mystery one? Let's see. Oh, it's one of those whooshy ones. That's cute. Oh, it's really whooshy, whooshy. I love these. I don't know why, but I think they're adorable. Yep, another collection. Ooh, this feels okay. I'm gonna save this. See, it feels like another figurine. I'm gonna put this down. Yep. Oh, are these? Oh, this one's got a... These are so unique. If I could only lift his little fingers. Oh, come on. All right, it doesn't want to go in. There we go. I am having so much fun opening these. So now let's get to the heavy one. Can't wait to see what that is. Okay, I'm making a bunch of noises. Oh, so this is the mystery sand. That's some squishy whooshy kind of thing. Oh, okay. Wondering what... Oh, I love this kind of sand. It's a good stress reliever. It's so mushy whooshy. I love it. Okay, I most definitely have to do a lot of research about this collection because I love it. Now let's get to the big mystery. I don't know if it is a pouch. Oh. Wow. Okay. Whee! It's a vehicle. Wondering, can you sit them? This one doesn't fit. Let's see if Squishy Whooshy fits in there. There we go. Okay. I'm going insane. Okay. Let's not forget those two. So, 12 to collect. I only got 2. 12 of the Ooshis. And of course, you have your common and your rare. Common, blue, green, rare. So I have 2 of them. Let's see. Oh, it's a panda. So he is common, obviously. Yeah, he is. Oh, he's cute. Number 2. Ah, these things are so hard to open. So, if you guys know what to do with this sand, let me know. But as I said, I am definitely going to do some research because I absolutely love these toys. I don't know why, but I do. And of course, it's fun to open them. Another cute one. Squeak, squeak. And it's common. Ryan and Combo Panda. Okay, so this is it for the giant egg. I had a lot of fun. Please leave a comment below if you know anything about these Ryan's World toys. Let me know. But I will do my research. So please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Until next time, take care of yourself and have a wonderful weekend. Ciao!